Hello everyone, welcome back to Gist of Maths. In the previous videos, we have learned the LCM and the HCF differently. Today we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF together. If you want to check out those videos, then please click on the I button or the link that are given below in the description box. So without any delay, let's get started. So here is the example number 1, that is 24, 48 and 64. At first, we divide all these three numbers by a common divisor which can exactly divide them. As 24, 48 and 64, all these are the even numbers, so divisible by 2. That is why we divide 2 and get 12 from 24, 24 from 48, 32 from 64. And we repeat the same process as 12, 24 and 32 are even numbers. So get 6 from 12, 12 from 24, 16 from 32. Again all these three are the even numbers. So get 3 from 6, 6 from 12, 8 from 16 by dividing 2. Now 6 and 8 are the even numbers, so they are divisible by 2 but not 3. So as per the rules, if at least 2 of the numbers can divisible by a common divisor, so we can continue the division. So we divide by 2 and get 3 from 6, 4 from 8 and carry forward the undivisible number as it is. So 3. Now 3 and 3 are divisible by 3 but not 4. So we divide by 3 and get 1 from 3, 1 from 3 and 4 from 4. Okay. Now HCF equals to all the common divisor which can divide all the three numbers exactly. So here 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. That is the HCF. And LCM is the all the common divisor and all the numbers which are remain undivisible. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 4. That is equals to 192. Now come to example number 2, that is 10, 15, 20 and 25. 10 and 20 can be divisible by 2 but not 15 and 25. So we divide by 5 as 10, 15, 20 and 25. All these four numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, so we get 2 from 10, 3 from 15, 4 from 20, 5 from 25. Now 2 and 4 can be divisible by 2 but not 3 and 5. So as per the rules, if at least 2 number can be divisible by a common divisor, so we can continue the division. So we divide by 2 and get 1 from 2, 3 as it is undivided or not divisible by 2, 2 from 4, 5 from 5 as it is also undivisible. So now the HCF is equals to 5 as only 5 which can divide all the 4 numbers. Okay, now LCM is all the common divisor and the numbers that are undivided. That is 5 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 5, that is equals to 300. Okay. So here is the example number 3, that is 6, 17, 13 and 7. As you can see, there are no common divisor except 1 which can divide all the 4 numbers. So we divide by 1 and get 6 from 6, 17 from 17, 13 from 13, 7 from 7. So HCF equals to only 1 and LCM equals to 1 into 6 into 17 into 13 into 7, that is equals to 9282. Okay. So today up to this guys, in the next video I will be discussing about the story problems of LCM and HCF, and if you have any doubt about this video then please mention it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.